Right now, we are surrounded by artificial intelligence with significant capabilities. Chatbots write code, image generators create photorealistic art, and voice clones are nearly indistinguishable from the real thing. These systems represent the starting point. From this moment on, the technology only grows more sophisticated and integrated. Looking back at today's models 5 years from now will feel like holding a flip phone in a world that has moved on. It will be as difficult to imagine returning to these tools as it is to give up a modern smartphone. Treating this transition as a routine software update ignores the fact that the underlying pace of change has shifted. It is no longer moving in a straight line. Our relationship with AI is currently reactive. You type a prompt, the machine answers, and then it stops. It waits for you. This waiting period is a bottleneck. True automation cannot happen as long as the machine requires a human to initiate every step. The question is, what happens when the machine no longer waits for your instructions to begin its work? We are seeing the rise of compounding intelligence. The technology is now advanced enough to participate in its own creation. Researchers are using current AI models to analyze data and write code for the next generation of systems, which accelerates the development cycle far beyond human speed alone. This digital loop is powered by an expanding physical footprint. Enormous data centers provide the environment where this software feedback loop lives. Underneath it all, silicon chips are being optimized to handle these specific computational loads, ensuring the hardware can keep pace with the software it supports. Every breakthrough in software helps design better hardware, which in turn trains even more capable software. Each iteration raises the baseline for the next. This compounding growth is leading toward agentic AI, systems that move past the need for constant prompting. An autonomous agent can execute a multi-step workflow without human input. It can identify a task, research the necessary data, draft a script, and schedule the follow-up meetings while you are focused elsewhere. A calculator stays in a drawer until it is called upon. A persistent agent operates in the background, managing its own progress and refining its outputs 24 hours a day. We are developing a digital workforce. These systems function as independent entities, performing tasks without needing a human to turn the key for every action. Once advanced reasoning is perfected in software, that logic transfers to the physical world. Machine vision and spatial awareness allow robotics to perform physical labor and make real-time decisions without human supervision. This capability will be integrated into manufacturing, global logistics, and fulfillment warehouses, industries where efficiency depends on consistent, autonomous labor. The physical world is entering the same cycle of compounding automation that software has already experienced, which will change the requirements of the labor market. The volume of research and discovery across medicine, engineering, and the sciences is poised to multiply. Specialized cognitive tasks that once took teams of experts weeks to complete will be executed by autonomous agents in minutes. While technology accelerates, the systems we use to manage society do not. Governments, labor markets, and schools move at a linear pace, bound by slow-moving bureaucracy and tradition. When the tools for work and learning evolve faster than the laws that regulate them, the gap creates a break in the system. Our economic and psychological structures weren't designed to absorb change at this velocity. We are becoming reliant on a technology whose ultimate limits are currently unknown. Even the people building these systems frequently note that new capabilities emerge unexpectedly. This creates a vulnerability by concentrating global power within a small group of companies that control the computing infrastructure and the chips. Over the next decade, our role in society will shift. We are moving from being active operators of digital tools to becoming supervisors of autonomous systems. We have to decide if we are structurally prepared to coexist with an intelligence that operates independently, because the transition is already happening.